Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the Comfee and the Auertech. In today's video, we'll take a closer look at their features, specifications, and how they stack up against each other. Whether you're living in a small apartment or need a reliable washer for your RV, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. The Comfee portable washing machine offers a fully automatic experience, making laundry day a breeze. You simply load your clothes, select your wash cycle, and let the machine do the rest. In contrast, the Auertech requires more hands-on involvement, as it operates semi-automatically. This means you'll need to manually switch between washing and spinning, which can be a drawback for those seeking convenience. However, some users may prefer the control that comes with a semi-automatic machine. When it comes to capacity, the Auertech takes the lead with its larger washing capacity of 18 pounds, allowing you to wash more clothes in one go. On the other hand, the Comfee has a smaller capacity of 0.9 cubic feet, which may require more frequent loads for larger households. If you have a lot of laundry to do, the Auertech's capacity could be a significant advantage. The Comfee's design is compact and user-friendly, featuring an LED display and multiple wash cycles for various laundry needs. Its fully automatic nature makes it ideal for those who prefer a simple, hassle-free experience. In contrast, the Auertech's twin tub design allows for simultaneous washing and spinning, which can save time but requires more effort from the user. Each design has its own merits, depending on your laundry habits and space constraints. In conclusion, both the Comfee and Auertech portable washing machines have their strengths and weaknesses. If you value convenience and a fully automatic experience, the Comfee may be the better choice for you. However, if you need a larger capacity and don't mind a bit of manual operation, the Auertech could be the way to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.